Officer. And
Ungol ka nga,
what's
Tanggol. Ungol ka
next?
nga. Tanggol, ungol ka nga.
Hey bro, shut up! Shut the fuck in your mouth!
Shut the fuck me your mouth. Ano daw?
Officer! Hey, officer! I want to be a policeman. On HP.
Policeman on HP. Security guard ata yun eh. Di ata police yun eh.
Oh, so sad. Officer,
Interview
I'm
artist.
so sad. Oh. Okay, officer. Okay. Oh. Oh.
The interview are closed. Sino kaaway niya? Sino kaaway niya, sir? Sino kaaway mo, sir? May kaaway ka, sir? Sino daw gumagawa na yung ano, pre, magic natin sa ano? Ba gumagana pa yun?
Oh, gumagana pa.
Baka kasi sinabi...
Tanga, ikaw yung kawin nito.
Oh, I'm sorry, sir. Oh my God. Who cares? Ay, yeah, I'm using English, bro. Yes, sir. No, I said... Oh my God, I don't... Who said that? Who cares? Who said that? I think, Tanggol? Yeah, Tanggol said that. Not Dan Lamar. Because Dan Lamar is so very, 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 very kind. So that's why I'm here in jail because I'm so very kind. Very kind.
Fuck you, Panday. Fuck you.
Hey. Oh, you see me? It's Denji. Okay. 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 I said okay.
Babalik mo dito si Denji.
Okay. 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 Yeah, okay.
Okay.
Okay kayo. Ang ina, naalala ko yun ah.
Na yun.
Don't, hey girl, don't use any language. I know,
Other
yeah.
than English.
Don't use Tagalog language. Only English because Sir Penday is English boy. Sir, can you please use your mic, sir? Sir, use your mic, sir. Yes, say. Huh? Sir, can you please use your mic? Because I can read. Sir? Okay. Oh, she man. Panday kupal. She boy. Sir, Panday, Denji said you're kupal. That's true. Sir, you know, in the outside of this PD, if you're recording, you're a gay. Well, see.
Uy. Ice cream yan. Ice cream good.
Ice cream yummy. Panday. What, King. King Spad. King ano to? King Spade? Yeah. King Spade said, you're a gay. That's true, sir. He did, he said, you're a gay. Hey, King, don't lie, King, don't lie. He said that. He messaged me. He said, hey, then, you know, Sir Penday is a gay. Oh my God. Yeah, I think it's true, bro. Yeah. King is never. Yeah. Yeah. What the fuck, King? You said that, King? Yeah, that's okay, sir. We accept you, sir. If you are gay, don't mind them, sir. Don't be jealous. Huh? I'm jealous. Don't be shy. Don't be shy, sir. Don't be shy. If you're a gay, go to the pageant, gay pageant. I'm going to cheer you.
Yeah.
I can't get jealous. Someone says I'm beautiful. Someone else shower say that's why. Sir, you know that song, sir? Your Penday. You know that song? Jealous. Jealous. King said jealous. Oh my god. Go recording, sir. Sir, this. Oh my god, he's here. King said you're gay. Sir, he said, you see them? Jealous.
Hey.